Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can manage your projects on Asana. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the project section. As you can see, as the project section, if you want to view the design projects, you have to click on this, and now you will get every details, and the design project will be open. And now you can check out every detail here. If you want to go to the work request options, you can also do that. This is the project as well. Now you can check out the details here as well. So as you can see, so now if you want the projects option, you can also do that. Simply you need to right click on the project, and after that you will get the options like this: share project. If you want to share your project, you can also do that. If you want to open this in a new tab, you can also do that. If you want to copy the link of your project, you can also do that. And as you can see, set color, if you want to set color, you can also do that. You can change your icon as well, and if you want to rename it, you can also do that. Add to start or archive project, you can also, or archive project, you can also do. So in this way you can manage your projects on your Asana account. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can manage your projects. See you guys in the next video.